In 2016, 15-year-old Brit Luke Bannister lifted the trophy and became World Drone Racing Champion with the help of his team Tornado X-Blades BanniUK at an event held in Dubai. The team beat 150 other teams to the top. I should go off topic slightly. He's a thoroughly decent young man, as were his cohort of UK and international racers at that time. I can't help feeling that money, as it does with most things, has completely changed FPV racing, and as a result, it's a bit flat now. Luke and his team are back, and today announced a new speed record for VTOL aircraft, and I think I'm right in saying first-person view flying as well.
X-Blades is a team of some of the best international pilots from around the world. We've partnered with Wingcopter this year to beat the Guinness World Speed Record for VTOL copters. With the Wingcopter, we're going to manage this and hopefully average a speed of over 200 kilometres per hour. Flying in amazing locations around Goodwood, which is such a big piece of racing history. The Guinness World Record has to be done with 2 runs of 100 metres from either direction within the same flight to ensure that the wind is factored in and the average of the speed of both runs is taken.
We modified the motors to get the maximum amount of speed. There are so many things that could go wrong. The ESCs can overheat, the motors can blow up, the wings can break if Luke is going to push it too hard or push it to the limit, going in too fast. A lot of things can go wrong.